Welcome to the 1-Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to pop up color in your photos using Lightroom. So let's start editing. First go to the basic. Temperature +12. And +10 for tint. -0.88 for exposure. Highlights -78. +88 for shadows. Whites +35. And +86 for blacks. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Next go to the presence and make +20 for clarity. Then go to the color mix and first go to the red. Hue -10. -4 to saturation. And luminance -20. Then go to the orange. Hue +5. Saturation +30. And luminance -6. Next go to the yellow. Saturation +36 for yellow. Now go to the aqua. Hue +20. Saturation +36. And -12 for luminance. Next go to the blue. Hue +8. +36 for saturation. And luminance -12. Next go to the magenta. Hue +64. Saturation -2. And luminance -10. Finally go to the green. Hue -4. Saturation +48. And luminance -54. And done. Next go to the color grading tool. Hue 41 and saturation 5 for highlights. And make balance to -100. Sharpening 46. .40 for reduas. Details 61. And masking 30. Next go to the noise reduction. Luminance noise reduction 9. Bring detail to 52. And contrast 15. Make color noise reduction 20. And done. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your any photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video.